Hello everyone, welcome to vishnuiasacademy. Today we'll discuss about an important and interesting topic in the news. So it's nothing but a searching a twin of Mars. So it is in India itself. It is on Earth itself. So let's begin with. So Mother Mode, Earth's terrestrial twin. To whom? To Mars. So now we are not only searching twin for our own self, we are searching for some other planet as well. So that's how our India history is. If you compare this Mother Mode, first we look where this place is. If you see Mother Mode, it's in Gujarat, and that too it's in a place near to Kutch. Here we can see Gujarat, here we have Mother Mode. This is near to Run of Kutch. Right? So if you observe, this is Mother Mode and this is Mars. Scientists recently found out that there is a similarity between the rocks they got it from the Mars and the rocks in this area. So that's why now if they come to know about this place, it's easy for them to know about Mars as well. That's why now we call this Mother Mode as a twin of Mars. And if you see, this is very much near and it's a part of Bhuj. Why this Bhuj is most important? Because of the Bhuj earthquake. Between 2002 and 2004, we have seen a devastating earthquake in the Bhuj district of Gujarat. So this Mother Mode is part of Bhuj district itself. And if you see, what is that element which is common in both Mars and this Mother Mode? That is one element, nothing but a xerosite. This xerosite is a iron sulfate mineral. So basically if you see iron, that's why we call iron, wherever you see iron, that will be in red color. So all the red rocks we got from the either Mars or the Mother Mode, they will be mostly in red color if you dig deeper. But this iron sulfate, initially it will be in this color if you start observing with the help of a microscope. And if you start carbon dating on the Mother Mode, what we got, that says it is around 55 million old, and this research has been done by three important institutes. One is ISRO, Pune University, Birbal Sahani University and Jyotirao Phule University. These four institutes together, they have done carbon dating on these rocks. And if you see, it is so important because if you see all this Paleocene, epoch, all these are nothing but evolution of our humans. So if you see in particular this Paleocene, this is what it started old and now we are in this phase. So this rocks belongs to Paleocene phase. That's why it is important for us to know about the evolution of our human beings based on this xerosite rocks which we got from the Gujarat. And same mineral found on Mars, as I said, and volcanic activity, water activity, etc. also can be found out by using this rock, and xerosite can be used with the potassium argon for carbon dating technology. Okay, and this links with Earth Paleocene era, as I said. So both together we can know about our Earth evolution along with the Mars. That's why it is very important. And if you see, this is the Mars image where it's taking the Mars soil and taking back to the Earth. It's by Perseverance rover launched by NASA. So, and because of this Mars mobility test and drilling geochemical analysis, we can see there, and astrobiology experiments. What is astrobiology experiment? See, if some algae or some microbes in the earth, if you start digging into it, based on that microbes, if you find about your astronaut or the astronomers, that is called as astrobiology. So with the help of the Mars, this Perseverance rover, we can easily find out the Mars. So because Mars is now a twin of Mother Mode, both can be found together. That's what it says. And as I said, this is the astrobiology test, and both trap and preserve are the important things in the astrobiology, and this helps in to find the possibility of life. In the same way, why it is important is a biggest question. If you say it is low cost testing in India because getting a soil or something from the Mars, it's a big thing, right? But there is some place which is in India, twin to Mars, so it is much compared to other things, it costs less. And if you see, it supports Mangalyaan 2 and future planetary missions. Why? Because if you get to know about this Earth or Mars twin, then it is easy for us to know the climatic conditions of Mars. That's why it is easy for us to launch our upcoming mission Mangalyaan 2. And the same way, there is a site HOPE mission which deals with the Himalayan outpost for planetary exploration. It started by a private organization of Bengaluru in order to give the climatic conditions or all the conditions in the space to especially to Gaganyaan mission pilots. For 10 days, each pilot or the astronaut will go to that place, they'll stay there and they experience all things and they'll come out. Before, you used to take the help of Russia, but now we have our own mission. That's a HOPE mission. Even this HOPE mission will get a good strategic value because of this. Now Matanmore is a very important and heritage site, but there are things, because it lies in the Kutch district, there will be a much drilling activities will take place in that region. So that's why now that region is under threat. So because in order to protect that region, so many activists or the other state governments are saying to protect that area and declare it as a World Heritage Site. In the same way, because of the water logging and mining, and this site should be protected. That's what the challenge we are currently facing. Not only getting the site as a Mars twin is important, but saving that site also important, and it's the biggest challenge now we are currently facing. So, with this and a most important topic related to the extraterrestrial planet we have seen today, with this we'll end our session for today. Hope you like our session. If you like our initiative, please subscribe, like, comment, share our Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.